Welcome to the next part of Time by Hans Zimmer. And we go on with the right hand. We have more melody now. And this is this melody. And the right hand we have... sorry. Yeah, this is F sharp, E and T. Yeah, but I will explain it to you because it's not that hard if you are already able to play the part of the last video. So we had this, first of all, we had the melody here, right? And then I said, okay, in the next round we play this. The right hand plays one octave higher. Like this. So what we add today is, because Hans Zimmer always just changes some little things, is when we play A and C together, and the left hand alone. What the right hand does now is play B and A. So these are the notes below the first note. Yeah, so we go one lower, another lower. B, A. So then we go, can you remember from the first part? To the E and G, correct? This is exactly what we had before. And here again, we play the next notes. We go 2 notes lower, F sharp and E. So we play an F sharp and not an F because of the key, yeah? But this is exactly the same. We just go 1 key lower of the scale we are here. So we have G and E together, then left hand E alone, together, F sharp and E, together, E and E. Okay, great. So you should practice it now like this. And repeat this again and again. So, and when you did this and you're very safe in playing it, we can go on with the next part. Can you remember what this was? G and B, correct. And the right hand, so again together. Left hand, the right hand plays A and G. But again, the same, right? We go just these 2 notes lower. Okay, and then the next part is F sharp and D. This is what we already had. But here again, E in the right hand and D. So again, we go these notes lower. Okay, and that's it. And that's it. Let me show you again, very slow. And of course, when we play the second round, we have the C major chord. But here again, we play A and G. Yeah, okay, let me show you. So we start with A and C. Sorry. Yeah, and that's it. This is the second part of Time by Hans Zimmer, and there's really no magic right now. Just a quick note for the more advanced player. I can play here in the right hand this pattern, the A minor pattern. But again, so we have as the melody C, B, and A. And this is this. B, A. Again. Now the E minor chord like this. Then the G major chord. And then the D major chord. Yeah, and then the second round. And when we can also do more in the left hand here now. We can play it in the octave. And we can play a little more rhythm. So the more I do, the more advanced is it, of course. Yeah, but you don't have to play that much. I think it's also nice to play it very easy. So A minor, now E minor. Yeah, and this is the second part of Time by Hans Zimmer, and I can't wait to share more with you about this wonderful, amazing piece and part 3 in the next lesson. So see you there, and I'm looking forward always to your visit on my website, werdemusiker.com. Link is in the description, so see you there and in the next lesson.